Welcome to the YouTube video. This is our exercise routine, short exercise routine, just to keep you active. 15 dips off the side of a bench with explosive movements. Dipping as low on the bench as possible and exploding up. Then we're going to do 60 jumping jacks to get the blood flowing through the body. 60 jumping jacks in total, which shouldn't be too tiring. We're exercising outdoors to be able to breathe in the fresh air. As well. Try and do these exercises if you can while you're at home or watching this video. Thank you for joining this video. Try this exercise at home or exercises at home. Burpees is a good exercise also to try. So we started off with 15 dips, 60 jumping jacks to get active, get the oxygen flowing to the brain. Trying to stay active as possible. Do remember, do subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Subscribe, smash the like button so we get more views and it helps the algorithm. Continuing on with the exercises. Try not to give up on this exercise routine. Take your time. We're gonna do 10 burpees as well. I heard somebody, a young lady, saying burpees will get you right and keep you very fit. It's quite tiring if you haven't tried it before. And I'm going to do 20 incline press ups on the side of a bench or off of a chair, shall I say. All these exercises may take a little while to get used to and to be able to do easily, but try and work at it as best as you can. 15 dips, 60 star jumps, 10 burpees, 20 incline press ups. If you enjoy the videos, try out the other videos, leave a comment and let us know what other videos you'd like to see.